The weather outside is frightful, but the playoffs are just delightful. And when the Chiefs take the field against the Colts on Saturday to kick off the divisional round, the weather won't be outside anymore, but snow could be a factor inside of Arrowhead Stadium. And a quick dive into the weather forecast shows that the snow might not be stopping right away either. The heaviest precipitation is supposed to come down during the remainder of the morning and on through lunchtime. But it appears there's a 50-50 chance of getting some snow during the Chiefs-Colts game as well. As you can see, there's been a winter storm warning issued for Missouri as well. This is a pretty hefty weather movement. The reality is no one can easily predict how much snow is going to drop on this game. The National Weather Service Department in Kansas City is suggesting there could be 3 to 5 inches on the ground throughout the course of the storm. But there's a fine line where it could end up dropping a bomb on Kansas City, with 8 inches of snow not that far off. So what does this mean for the actual football being played? The total hasn't been severely affected yet. It's dropped from 57 on Friday night down to 56 on Saturday morning. It's possible to see it continue to drop throughout the day depending on how the weather looks, but these are still 2 high-scoring teams without much in the way of defense. You can call the Colts a good defense, let's not overlook who they've played and call them elite or anything. Patrick Mahomes should score on them. The line is holding fairly steady. The Chiefs are still 5-point favorites, although most of the wagers are on the Colts in this game. The Action Network's public betting tracker has 61% of the bets on Indianapolis. Who does the weather favor? It's kind of a toss-up here. Mahomes and the Chiefs are the outdoors team, but Mahomes doesn't have a ton of experience in these kinds of conditions. He didn't play many cold weather games while in college at Texas Tech, and he has just 4 starts in his career so far, where the temperature is below 40 degrees. These starts include last season's Week 17 start against the Broncos, 17 degrees, a 27-24 win, and a pair of starts in 2018, a Week 14 overtime 27-24 overtime win over the Ravens at home, 27 degrees, and a Week 15 28-29 loss to the Chargers at home, 39 degrees. Including the playoffs, Luck has just 6 games played in his career below 40 degrees. But it's notable that one of them came in the playoffs, a 24-13 win against the Broncos in Denver, and 2 of them came against the Chiefs, both straight-up victories in Kansas City. One of those games was against Andy Reid, 2013, while the other was against Romeo Crennel, 2012. For his career, Luck is 4-2 against the spread in these cold weather games. Mahomes is 1-2.